everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Twicha, and if you are seeing me for the first time, I make DIY videos for home decor, and if you are into the same, please don't forget to watch my other videos, and if you like them, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And let's talk about today's video. So today's video is about some thrift flips. Not recently, I visited Value Village a few weeks ago. It's just that I did not have time to work on this DIY and did not have time to edit the video. So today I'm going to be showing you two thrift flips that I did, and two of them turned out pretty well. Turned out decent, not extraordinary, but yes, I can definitely use them or sell them. So I hope you will enjoy it, and let's get started. So I got this basket hanger from Value Village. It was my recent trip to Value Village. It was like 2-3 weeks ago. I got it, and I was trying to make a hanging planter out of it. I saw the similar one on Urban Outfitters. It wasn't the exact one, but yeah, it was somewhat like this. Now this one someone tried to create on their own and probably just donated. I thought I can make something out of it, so I grabbed it from Value Village, and it needed a good amount of restoration work. If you can see here, I tried to clean it a lot, but some parts that I had to replace it. I couldn't. I mean, if I wanted to make it look like new and well finished, I had to remove that anyhow. So I tried to remove the hanging part, which was holding the two handles together, because I was going to put something else there. Whoever tried to create this before, they actually used a raw wood. Now at that point he was not able to remove the skin out of it, but at this point wood was completely dry and I had to remove the outer skin. So it was a good amount of work, enjoyed a lot doing that. And after everything was done, I even sanded the base, and the last part that I had to do is to sand the handles, because I was going to put something else there, something like a leather, so it can look mid-century modern kind of plant hanger. I didn't want to make it look like a bohemian, so I sanded it nicely, made it smooth, and then I joined two handles together before I tie them with the industrial glue gun. And once I had it tied, I had this leather belt which I cut, and I used a good part of it to wrap it around the handle. It was looking absolutely amazing once it was done, but I pretty much knew that I was gonna use the brown one, not the lighter shade. I had the design in my mind. I did not plan when I actually bought it, but anyway, it worked for me, and this is how I made it. So the second one is the wood bowl. This is the easiest thing that you can get in any thrift store, but I found this one. This one was actually the best that I could get from the thrift store, because if you can see here, this bowl is made from single wood log. If you can see the grains that are going all the way in one direction, so you can simply say that it was made from one log. But it had many scratches, and it seems like it was used a lot of time before, so I had to clean it nicely. And of course I was just trying to figure out the actual color, actual shade of this wood, so that I can work on it. After working on it, after cleaning it for a good amount of time, I could actually figure out that this was in a brown shade. I was able to remove most of the stains and dirt out of it. And then I started with the 80 grit sandpaper, because I had to work a lot. I had to sand a lot because I was trying to remove the actual polish that was on it. And I was trying to create something like this with a matte finish and single log wood piece. It's not a mango wood for sure, but I couldn't recognize which wood is that, but it's definitely from the one log. I sanded a lot, probably 4 to 5 hours, I can say. But it was so hard to work on it, and I could at this point I realized that I made a mistake. I shouldn't have done this. I even used the sanding machine, but I could just use it in the base because I cannot use it inside the bowl, or just because of the curves and everything. So I wanted to give up, but anyway, I kept working on it. I mean, I was pretty much able to do it, but it took a lot of efforts. I mean, I would not spend this much time on a single piece of wood unless I really, really want it. Once it was done, I wiped the bowl and then I stained it with the water-based stain. If you can see here, it was looking just like new after I sanded and polished it nicely. Not just as I expected, but yes, I did a good amount of work on it, and I was expecting it should look nice, and it was actually looking nice. And then I placed some fruits in it. It was actually salad bowl, but yes, I'm gonna use it for fruits, and this is how I made it. If you're at this point, I assume that you liked the video. So don't forget to like my other videos, subscribe to the channel. That will help me to create my YouTube community. Once again, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.